Hey there, it's Annie Lou. How are you? I have my ArtSnacks box for March 2020. Now, I've seen others open up their boxes, and I am curious. So it seems like subscribers are getting different color pencils, and I am anxious to see what color I got. And as usual, here's the treat. It's Smarties. And let's go for it over here. All right, I also know, and I don't seem to have one, I did not get a paintbrush. Oh, I hate when stuff like that happens. All right, yeah, the Series 8 brush from Royal Langnickel. So I didn't get my brush. I can send them an email and they'll send me a brush, but I have plenty of brushes, so I'm not going to make too much of a fuss right now. And let me find a round brush. You know, there's nothing like a new paintbrush, so I'm just a little bummed, but like I said, I have plenty of brushes, so I went and I got one. And this is a size 4. So the first thing I'm going to show and tell is a watercolor from Rembrandt. I know these are pretty expensive. Actually, they retail for $12.95. And as lovely as it is, and I am sure it's wonderful to have this, I certainly would not pay that amount of money. At this point in my artistic endeavor, would not spend that much money on a watercolor paint. So I have my palette and I have my brush, and I always like to pat my brush. I fill it up with water because it's a water brush and you want it to be filled with water, and then that way the paint will last longer, but I always just give it a little tap off. So let's try this. All right, not much. And I already got some on my fingers. So I know there's videos out there already for the ArtSnacks unboxing, but you know what? I just like to do it. Alright, so this is going to be just wet on dry. It's lovely. It's sort of like a pumpkin orange. I would use this for a pumpkin. And get that out. Just pat off a little bit, and then I can drag this down to make it lighter. Oh yeah. On a pumpkin, I would do the pumpkin with this light wash, and then go back and shade it with the dark one. And this is a good quality paint. You can just feel the difference. So the next thing is a graph brush liner in black, made in Japan. I don't know. Waterproof. I don't know. You know how I feel about waterproof. Ooh. So this has a nice long nib. I wish I was really, really good at like lettering, because I can tell. But you can only do so much. Oh yeah. I know there's a rule that there's a rule that you press when you go up and light when you come down. I think that's what it is. So press when you go up and light when you come down. I get wiggly. Like everything else in life, you really do need to practice. You need to practice. So a graphic brush liner. Oh, I'm going to add some water to it to see if it moves. And this brush liner retails for $3.79. So here is my water, and oh, very, very, very minute. I'm sure if I let this set longer that it would be permanent. And also you can heat set it with a heat gun or your blow dryer on you know, like a gentle breeze setting. So I am going to say that this is permanent, but not immediately. All right, so that was number 2. So the next thing are colored pencils. And so it has an ArtSnacks emblem on it. So I guess they made these sets just for ArtSnacks. I've seen other colors. I haven't seen these out there. So, alright, so I did something before on that. I thought they were watercolor pencils and I added water, but they're not. So this one is the darkest. You can get really light. And then this one looks like the next color. This is more like a lead color. Number 706. And this one it looks like a brown to me. It is a brown. And then I've never really, unless I'm doing something, yeah, you can highlight your letters with the white, give it a little bit of attitude. Yep, the white goes nicely on. I don't know if you can see it, but it works fine. So that's it for me. You know, there are a lot of people out there doing the ArtSnacks unboxing, and I always wait for the end of the video to see what they're going to create, and usually that comes later, which is what's going to happen now. My creation will come later, but there's the ArtSnacks sticker. I like that curvy pen, and it says I love you, and I love you too. I love you for sitting here with me, and I will be back again soon. Bye-bye.